Welcome to Apostolic Insight. The video you have just watched passes to every member of the human family a disturbing message. We can see how human beings act and behave like animals, and how a particular animal demonstrated that, look, it's as if the animal is now more human than human beings. You can see how an animal offered help to an elderly woman when those who should offer that help lived, acted, presented themselves as wild animals, devouring animals, totally insensitive. This video is so disturbing. It's so disturbing. Whether people acted this thing, whether it's just natural occurrence, but the message is very deep. And we see it in everyday life. Come to Africa and see what demons do and call themselves African leaders, criminals in government, totally insensitive. Even within the religious circle, you see religious leaders who live, act like animals, completely insensitive. They do not care about the suffering of their people. They do not care about the challenges facing the people. Look at how dog of all other animal has to make way for an elderly woman. What a lesson. What a lesson. It's so painful. You will see a portion of the Bible where God describes the lifestyle of a certain class of people. Have they drink wine in bowel, eat meat beyond limit, abundance of it. Everything is provided in abundance. Live in big mansions. But God said, they did not care. They were so wicked to the position, the situation the people found themselves. They did not care about the afflictions ravaging their people. They do not care. God described these people, the lifestyle of these people. May what happened in this video, let us not miss the message. It is so important. May animals not act like human, while human will act like animals. May God help us. Share this video and may it please you to subscribe to this channel. It's for the kingdom of God.